Hi guys, I'm back again. I just wanted to show you a couple of things I've been working on this week. First of all, this is the REA Express Building Complex at Union Station. You may notice this one has been painted finally. It's got some signs on it. The white one is a no smoking sign. I don't know if you can see it. And then the other one is a safety related sign, and every door has its own door number on it. So, and then the posts that hold up the roof are painted yellow. But the roof is a piece of 220 grit sandpaper that has just been painted black. Couldn't find any black locally. The building, the shed roof, if you want to call it that, still needs a little paint touch-up, but I'm working on adding the next section of roof over here. You'll notice that even the posts aren't quite straight yet because I'm still doing the measuring. I'll end up having to do the next little section. I'm going to walk over here a little bit. You can see those signs fairly decently. You'll notice I got foam board down as a base. I opted to do it that way, just rather than using masonite as a bottom. So. But anyway, that's what I'm working on right now, and just trying to get things painted as the weather has changed here. We finally got away from our cold weather we had, so I've been able to get outside and paint. Although I got set back a few days because my older Aztec brush kind of self-destructed on the inside. I had to rebuild it, and then it just never really worked, so I got me a new all-metal Pash airbrush, and I've been using that one. So, but anyway, just to give you an idea what it looks like. And right now, Union Station's kind of blown up because I've had to remove everything so I can work up here. So, but anyway, I'm working on the REA Express building, trying to get that done, and then once the shed roofs are all done, then I'll go ahead and finish up on the poster board or foam board base and get that the appropriate color. But anyway, see you next time. Bye.